Good afternoon, thanks for your company. Well, the Australian share market had a great day of trade, rising 0.7%, closing at a level that we last touched back in August, 6,814 points, which means we're now just 0.4% away from the all-time high. Most sectors of the market rocketed ahead. Staples, property, communications and industrials all rose over 1%, with blue chip stocks like Qantas, Resmed and Cochlear all hitting all-time highs. Other companies like Ingenia Lifestyle Communities, Wesfarmers, Woolies, Coca-Cola and Lendlease, as well as Bingo, all hit new 52-week highs. It all comes as the RBA's minutes were handed down at 11:30, and the RBA used language which has not been seen before, hinting that the RBA was pretty close to cutting the cash rate in November. The minutes also highlighted a more dovish tone than usual and suggested further cuts would be needed to reach full employment and their inflation target. The cash rate is expected to drop to 0.5% early next year and 0.25% by the end of next year, which is why investors are chasing those yield stocks and blue chip stocks, as they can, of course, deliver a better return than cash or term deposits. Qantas held their investor day today, and their shares rose over 2% to $7.13 after highlighting their drive to zero emissions by 2050 by investing $50 million in sustainable aviation fuels, while it will also have a transformational program set to deliver $400 million in gross annual benefits. UBS previously cited the Flying Kangaroos shares will grow to $7.50, while Macquarie expects its shares to do better than that and hit $7.90. Its long-term outlook for global passenger growth remains strong, while its price is cheap compared to global competitors. A2 Milk, the key standout today, as they raised their full-year earning guidance, citing higher prices for their products and the weaker New Zealand dollar. Earnings, or EBITDA, for 2019-2020 is expected to sit between 29 to 30% growth. In fact, Pendal and Morgan Stanley both voted with their feet today, becoming major shareholders of the firm, and A2 Milk's shares, as a result, rose over 11% to $13.37. On the downside, WiseTech Global fell over 7% today, copping another hit, falling to $26.65 after another attack from the short seller. Moving on, the Australian dollar fell 0.1% to 67.11 US, while US equities are expected to open higher when trade resumes in the US this evening. Have a great evening. See you tomorrow.